If you want to know how to give permission for sharing additional information with business partners on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This setting controls whether X can share additional information with business partners, so it's useful if you want to manage your privacy and account preferences more precisely. If this video helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you do not see all the options right away, click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional settings and account options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account privacy and safety controls for your profile. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll find several options related to how your account information is handled, including data sharing preferences and visibility controls. Next, click on Data Sharing with Business Partners. This is the section where you can manage whether X is allowed to share extra information with external business partners. Now you should see the option for Allow Additional Information Sharing with Business Partners. Toggle this setting on to give permission. As soon as you switch it on, the setting will be enabled for your account, allowing X to share additional information with business partners according to its privacy framework. And that's it. You've now enabled additional information sharing with business partners on X. It only takes a few clicks, but it's always good to know where these privacy settings are so you can adjust them whenever you need to. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more quick X and Twitter settings guides.